Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafty Feelings. Today we are doing something truly special for the very first time. We are creating a baby details and things frame. In this unique project, we are capturing a precious memories by adding the baby's first worn items, baby's parents' photos, and baby's birth detail stickers. To make it even more charming, we created a pearl frame around the baby's photos and added some pearls around the edges of the frame for that extra touch and elegance. Next, we decorated it with small adorable puffy stickers. Then we added a layer of resin to give it a glossy finish. These little details really bring the whole design to life. So far, we have added 4 layers to achieve the desired depth and beauty. But then, the client requested a darker color to match their vision. No problem. We went ahead and added 3 more layers to make it perfect. And here is the stunning result, a beautiful frame filled with memories that will last a lifetime.